What I have for you here today is a Magnavox DVD and VHS player. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Really simple. So it's got a VHS and a DVD section right here. So you want to make sure whatever you're using, make sure it's on that area. So right now it's on VCR. We're going to put it on DVD. We're going to pop out the DVD, just like you see here. We're just going to pop in a DVD. Okay, we're going to close the door. It's going to read that DVD, just like you see here. It's going to come up on the screen in a minute, and you're going to see exactly how this works. Super easy to do. Okay, so it says disc in, and then you hit, once it's in, just hit play. And now it's actually going to play just like that. Super fast, super quick and responsive, very easy to hook up. As you can see, let's stop that. Hit that stop, hit eject, and it comes out just like you see here. Really smooth operation. I love this combination. That way it takes up less space to take that DVD out. Let's close that. Now, if you want to play a VHS tape, just make sure it's on VHS, just like you see here. We're going to take a movie I have here. It's called Aladdin. Every child's favorite. Just pop that in. And what you want to do is just hit the play button. That's all you got to do. It's that simple, guys. Easy to hook up, easy to use. Pop it in. Hit play. And there is the movie Aladdin. Just like that. Super easy to use, like I said. Let's hit stop and eject. Can't get any simpler than that. I love this combination Magnavox DVD and VHS player. Thanks for watching.